Join me as I dive into the stock market and try to predict if GNLN stock is really going to skyrocket in 2025. GNLN stock has been a topic of interest for many investors lately, and for good reason. The company has been making waves in the market with its innovative approach to tech, and some experts are predicting big things for its future. Recently, GNLN has been trending upwards, with its stock price seeing a significant increase over the past few months. This surge has caught the attention of both seasoned investors and newcomers alike. One of the main challenges facing GNLN stock right now is market volatility. We've seen some wild swings in the market recently, and GNLN hasn't been immune to that. The company is also facing stiff competition from other players in the tech industry, which could make it tough for them to stand out. Another hurdle for GNLN is the recent setback they faced with their latest product launch. While the company had high hopes for the product, it's been met with lukewarm reception from consumers. This could be a major obstacle for GNLN to overcome if they want to see their stock price rise. Despite these challenges, there are some factors that could contribute to an increase in GNLN stock value by 2025. One thing to keep an eye on is their upcoming product launches. GNLN has been working on some exciting new tech that could really shake up the industry. If they're able to successfully bring these products to market, it could be a major boost for their stock price. Another thing that could play a role is GNLN's plans for market expansion. The company has been looking to break into new markets and establish a stronger global presence. If they're able to make headway on this front, it could be a major driver of growth for the company. Some experts are also predicting that changes in leadership could be on the horizon for GNLN. If the company is able to bring in some fresh faces and new perspectives, it could be just what they need to turn things around. A change in leadership can often be a catalyst for change, and GNLN could be poised to make some big moves if they're able to get the right people in place. Additionally, GNLN has been investing heavily in research and development, which could pay off in the long run. By focusing on innovation and staying ahead of the curve, GNLN could be setting themselves up for success. A key insight to keep in mind when looking at GNLN stock's growth potential is the overall trend of the tech industry. As more and more people move online, companies like GNLN are well positioned to take advantage of this shift. According to some credible sources, GNLN is expected to see significant growth over the next few years, with some experts predicting a major increase in stock value. Of course, it's impossible to predict the future with certainty, but the signs are looking good for GNLN. In terms of expert opinions, many analysts are weighing in on GNLN's potential. Some are bullish on the stock, citing the company's strong track record of innovation and its solid financials. Others are more cautious, pointing out the challenges that GNLN faces in the market. However, overall, the consensus seems to be that GNLN has a lot of potential for growth. To recap, we've covered some of the main points to consider when looking at GNLN stock's potential trajectory leading into 2025. The company is facing some challenges, but there are also some major factors that could contribute to an increase in stock value. We've also seen some expert opinions and analysis that suggest GNLN has a lot of potential for growth. So, what do you think about GNLN stock? Are you bullish or bearish on its prospects for 2025? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to check out my next video for more insights on stock market trends.